Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix controllers not working in Madden NFL 25 on PC. So in this video I will show you how you can fix on Steam as well also on EA app. So without further ado, let's get started. So first step, what I suggest you to do here is to turn off all the peripherals you may have on your PC. So if you're using, for example, racing wheels, VRs with your controller and other accessories, try to disable all of them and just leave with just controller, and then look if the problem persists or not, because sometimes it can conflict with each other and controller cannot sometimes it's not working. So just disable all the peripherals and only have your controller, maybe your keyboard and mouse plugged in, right? And if this doesn't help, then for Steam, what I suggest to do here is to go on Steam, then go to on the top right settings, and then go to controller tab, and then make sure to enable the right input. So I'm using PlayStation controller, so I enabled a Steam input. But if you're using, for example, PlayStation input, if you're using Switch or Xbox controller, make sure to enable these inputs depending on your controller. And also make sure idle gamepad shutdown timeout is on never, because on default it's 15 minutes. So basically after 15 minutes your controller will turn off, right? And then if you have a game on Steam, you just need to go, for example, let's say it's NFL, CS2 is NFL, right click on it, go to properties, and then here go to controller and disable Steam input. If Steam input is it's not working, then select use default settings, and if this do not work, then enable Steam input and look if the problem persists or not. If you have game on EA Play, what I suggest you to do here, first method is to set up Steam like I said, and then go to EA, go to library, press on the three dots here, go to properties, and then press browse, copy the path on the blank space, then go back on Steam, then press add a game, then select add a non-Steam game, press browse, then paste the path, look for exe file and open. Then Madden 25 should appear on this list after a few seconds. And after that, just select Madden 25, add selected program, and then just launch Madden 25 with your controller plugged in through Steam, and look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, controller is not working, and you're using a PS5 or PS4 controller, I have another solution for you. So open a browser, go to ds4-windows.com and download the file here. So click download, then scroll down here, and it should be a DS4 version, right? So I'm using this one, the latest one. And what you need to do here is to save to whatever you like on your computer. And once it's saved, then just open up the folder here, downloads, extract the file. For example, let's extract it here. Then open up DS4 Windows.exe. Then it really doesn't matter what you select here. Then select your controller. So for me I'm using PS4 and as well PS5 controllers. And after that, you can close this window here, and then just connect your controller. Then just press PlayStation button if your controller is selected via Bluetooth, and then your controller should appear here. As you can see here, it's connected here, right? And if you don't know how to plug your controller, if you're using Bluetooth, I'm sure you know, but in case you don't know, you just need to go to Bluetooth and other devices, add a new device, then select Bluetooth, and then just press PlayStation button and share button until, for example, I'm using PS5 controller, until the light starts to blink, and then you can connect it. And once you connect it with DS4, it will work. I'm using for Apex Legends the same method because it's on EA, and it's working for me just fine, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.